Hello everyone. So this video is about the movie Kung Fu Panda and my learnings out of it. So I'll brief you about the story and will tell you my learnings according to the scenes which went on in the movie. So starting with the story, Kung Fu Panda is a story of a fat, lazy panda who aspired to become a Kung Fu warrior. But he was unable to pursue his dreams because he was stuck in his father's noodles business. So one day, Master Shifu and Master Ugwa met, and Ugwa told him that he had a vision that Tai Lung, who's the villain in the movie and one of the most powerful kung fu warrior, was about to escape, and he will escape the prison and he will come to the valley and destroy the valley. So Shifu got very nervous. He didn't know what to do. Okay, and Uwa told him that it is the time to choose our dragon warrior, okay, who can defeat Tai Lung and save the valley. So Shifu was very confused. He didn't have any answer. He told him that whom we should choose. Okay, who's the most deserving one? Okay, whom we should hand over the scroll to, the dragon scroll. So my first learning is when Ugwa quoted that your mind is like water. When it is agitated, it becomes difficult to see. But when it is still, the answer becomes clear. So the most important thing, if we want an answer to a question from ourselves, okay, when we are stuck in something or we are not able to solve any query of ours, the most important thing is to keep our mind calm and composed. And if we are able to keep our mind calm and composed, we'll get the best answer out of it to our questions. And let time be, and let time decide who's going to be the dragon warrior, and just do our bit. So this was my first learning. So continuing with the story, they decided to have a tournament where they will announce and decide who's going to be the dragon warrior amongst the Furious Five, which was the tigress, the viper, the monkey, the mantis, and the crane. Poe also went to uh, see like who's going to be the dragon winner, and he was very keen to see the tournament. But unfortunately, he couldn't enter the door because the door was shut down. But some or the other way, he managed to get inside on a rocket chair, and he just fell in front of Ugwa, and Ugwa announced that Panda is the dragon warrior. So from this decision, Shifu and the Furious Five were not happy. They did not believe this panda could be a dragon warrior because he's fat and lazy, and they did not see any trait also of a warrior in him. And they decided that they'll make him quit, and then they'll decide who's the next dragon warrior will be amongst them. So uh, uh, Panda went for the training, but he was not unable to he was unable to meet the expectations, and he was not able to complete the practice because it was so tough, and he has to become more fast, more agile, but he was too fat to do all of those stuff. So one day he decided to quit, and he was sitting down a tree, and when Ugwa came down to him and uh, told him that you should not quit, you are the dragon warrior, you should believe in yourself. He told him, no, I'm not the dragon warrior, I should rather go back to my father's noodles business. That's what I'm good at. So Ugwa told him, uh, here comes my second learning. When Ugwa quoted that yesterday is history, future is mystery, and today is a gift. That is why it is called present. So my learning out of it is that we should be less concerned about our past and our future. We should rather focus more on our present. Okay, and because the actions what we do in our present will be the outcome of future. Okay, so be focused on your present actions and with the goals which you have set for yourself. Be least concerned about your past and least concerned about your future. So he managed to convince him. So continuing with the story again, Master Shifu and also met Ugwa again, and Ugwa some or the other way managed to convince him that he is the only dragon warrior, and then Shifu started training him to fight Tai Lung, and when he was trained, he handed over him the dragon scroll. So when Panda saw the scroll, so it was empty. There was no mantra in it that who's going to the mantra to become the invincible warrior or something. It was blank. So with the disappointment, he went back to his father and told him that this is the scroll and this is empty. There is nothing in it. So his father told him that I'll tell you the secret ingredient of my secret recipe of the noodle. Okay, and the secret ingredient is nothing. Nothing. It's just the belief that you have to make something special. You have to believe that it is special. So my third learning from that is that the most important thing in our life is our belief. Like everyone thought that there is a mantra in the scroll and which can make anyone invincible, but actually it was nothing but himself. So to make something happen, it is important that you have to have your belief system strong, that yes, I can do this. So make your belief system strong, believe in yourself, and do all your efforts with 100%. So these were my learnings from the movie. I hope you like it. Thank you.